How to fix Telegram not sending code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Telegram application on your device, and now go ahead and enter your phone number. Now check whether if you are logged in to Telegram on another phone or tablet or your computer, and look for a message from Telegram containing your login code. Make sure to double check your phone number and also make sure that you have entered the correct country code, and then go ahead and request the code again and see if that helps. If not, then just in case if you are not connected to a proper working internet connection, then you will not receive a code. So make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, make sure you have enough cellular signal, and just in case if the signal is poor, then you might face issue with the signal. So go ahead and simply enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again and see if that helps, and if not, in settings again tap on general and then on about. Here go ahead and see if your carrier provider has sent a new update, and if an update is available, go ahead and update your carrier. Also make sure that your SIM and eSIM can receive SMS messages. See if that helps, and if not, then just in case if you are sending codes way too often, then make sure not to send it too much, as repeatedly requesting codes can temporarily trigger Telegram security limits. And if you've requested several codes already, stop trying it for a while. And if you are trying to request code through any kind of third party's Telegram client, then go ahead and switch to a certified Telegram application, and also make sure that the app is updated. So open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Telegram, and make sure that the Telegram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update Telegram. Also check if Telegram is already logged in, as this is one of the many reasons why the SMS does not appear, as Telegram may have already delivered the login code to an existing Telegram session rather than your SMS, so you can check other devices where you were previously connected to. Also, you can try changing your verification method. So if you are requesting for SMS code from Telegram, you can simply request for a phone call from Telegram as verification. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Telegram not sending code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.